What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. So today, bringing you guys a nice bass fishing video. A little something simple. It's springtime, and I actually want to start a series where I hunt for big fish in certain places. I'm gonna do a redfish, trout, flounder, bass, crappie, whatever. It's gonna be called the Big Fish Hunt. I'm gonna start that series, and I'm probably gonna start with the bass since right now it's springtime and there are big ones to be caught. Well, caught a couple big ones in this clip, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you at the end of the video. Peace! Got him. Got him. Oh God! It's a tank. Oh man. Oh, it's a good one. Oh yeah, he's got it. Look at that, guys. Come on. There we go. Beautiful little chunk right there, guys. First fish of the day. Woo! On that swim jig right there, just a little Rage Crawl trailer, little bluegill color. Put in right here. There's a little opening right over there, and he smoked it. God, look how chunky he is. Awesome. Check this out, guys. Beautiful first bass right there. On a swim jig. A little bit of heavy cover action. I like that. I like that a lot. Good first fish. All right. Thanks, little fella. I appreciate it. Beautiful bass right there. Oh, okay. Let go. There we go. Woo! Try that again. Another one. Next cast. Oh, another solid chunk. Dude. Look at him, guys. Beautiful. Oh! Playing with them too much. That was another solid chunk. Guys, I'm just fishing this little cut right here. I thought he was hooked pretty good. I don't know how he got off. There's a little bluegill color swim jig. Next cast. Idiot. Should have landed him. I was too excited. Awesome. Not much of a bass fisherman, but still. Got him. Oh! Oh my God. Guys, I hope you saw that. That was a tank. God, dog. I saw him hit it. I don't know why he didn't get the hook. Dude, that was like a 3-4 pounder. Dude. Right here on this jackhammer in the bluegill color. I'm just slowly cranking it along, and I felt him thump it. I wasn't sure if I was coming up on grass or nothing. But, dang it. That's good. The water over here looks a little clearer. Got him. Oh yeah. Oh, what the? Dude, that's a crappie. Oh my God. Dude, that's a keeper crappie. Guys, check that out. I threw that red trap out there trying to rip it across this grass right here, and old crappie showed up, little keeper. My buddy CJ right there is keeping fish today, and he said he wants some crappie, so we'll keep this for old CJ. There he is. That's the smallest one I've caught out of here. Right there, guys, came back to this little hole. Black and blue swim jigs. I had that little bite before, and hey, chill out, little dude. Little homeboy smoked it. Pretty one too. Woo-wee, they're all chunks in here. Just look at them. I've just been rotating this area, and this is the only place I've really been getting bit is this one and that point over there. So we're gonna keep rotating around and see if we can find them. All right, guys, came back over here. Look at that, solid chunk. I can't believe how healthy these fish are. Just look at the backs on them. Right there. A little bit of a rundown on the gear I'm using right here. It's a Hack Attack heavy cover swim jig and a black and blue. And I dyed the pinchers a little bit more chartreuse. It's a 1/4 ounce. I like the 1/4 ounce because you can kind of feather it through stuff, you know. With that 3/8 kind of heavy, you got to work it a little faster. This one I can kind of just float it there. 30-pound suffix, high gear ratio reel, and a medium heavy foot rod. Beautiful bass, guys. Love it. Pretty ones. They're all just so chunky. I think in here, these fish are mainly bluegill killers. So, bluegill killer baits has been the name of the game. Alright guys, ending the day here. Had a great time, caught a handful of bass. Some good sized ones, you can't complain about that. Out here with CJ and one of his buddies right here. We had a good time, even CJ caught them. That's how you know they thick. CJ caught a good one. Had a good time. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I'll catch you next time. Peace!